Hello everyone, this is Dixon here and welcome to MoWorld. I wanted to do something differently. I decided to produce a video. So this is my first video and I'm just going to give this a try. So at the moment here, I've opened Unreal 4 and I developed all my things in Unreal 4. So just to recap, I'm building a MoWorld and interactive game. So at the moment, we have the first person example map. I decided to use the default map, so I'm able to use gravity instead of you're just floating around in the mid-air. So I've used gravity and this is my first attempt. So let's just give this a try. And I hit the play button, and this is what you get. So let's just show you how to navigate the world. Hitting W moves forward, hitting S moves backward, hitting A moves left, and hitting D moves right. And to move around, you have to use the mouse and click the left button. Since you're holding the gun, you can actually shoot things. I made sure that all my objects have collision. They collide with different objects. Things move and gravity plays into parts. I'm assuming that we don't actually have legs or a head or a body. We're just holding a gun. So when you start to play this game, you have the first menu saying, "Welcome to MoWorld." The object of this game is to catch as many coins in 2 minutes. You can use the jump pad to help you navigate to different platforms, and you can hit certain letters to get rid of the flames to show that you have been there. So this is a pre-built world, and now we're actually going to my world. There is actually an invisible button here, and when you touch it, you navigate to a different platform. So let's just give this a try. Awesome. So this explosion, this is have some kind of effect. And just to show you the menu, so on the top left, on the bottom left, I'm trying to use my mouse, but when I use my mouse, I actually move around. So hopefully you can just follow my directions. So hint, collect as many coins in 2 minutes. So that's the objective of the game. And at the bottom right, there's a timer. And when it hits 0, the game ends. And at the top right, there's a counter for coins. So let's just move forward by hitting W. And when I hit move forward, for some reason, you don't actually walk up the stairs. And I just realized I don't have any legs. So let's just give this, just to show this, when I hit exit, let's go back to MoWorld. Just gonna move down. See, I have no legs and a body. I just realized it today. So that was kind of funny. And you're just a gun and a mine. I think your mine is inside the gun. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Go ahead and play again. So when I hit forward, you actually have to use the space bar and hit W at the same time to jump over the stairs. So this might not be as convenient, but to solve this situation, I've implemented a jump pad. So when you touch the jump pad or when you go on top of it, you actually jump. So let me just describe the coins. When you touch the coin, my aim is to increment the counter. So the counter is not working at the moment, but I should have that soon. And originally, press a key to destroy. So when I press a key to destroy, let's just hit any key, you see, the fire goes away. So originally, you had to hit certain keys in order to get rid of the fires, but that might not be as user-friendly, so I decided just to hit any key to get rid of the fire. And the cool thing is, once you hit the floating yellow coins, they actually look like donuts to me. Okay, so when you go near it, you hear a sound. That's pretty cool. And I picked this sound, it feels like you're collecting something, you're putting it into your inventory. So that's why I chose that sound. So let's just move up and let's just touch the jumping pads. When you touch the jumping pad, you actually jump to a different platform. So that solves the um, situation where you cannot run up the stairs because we don't have legs. And if you actually use the third person template when you run up the stairs, it actually works. So I decided to use first person, which is this. You're gonna wear the Oculus glasses. So let's just walk around. You can see the smoke. When you go near the smoke, it goes away. And the point of that is to show that you've been in that area so you don't waste time. So like it's time right now, and then it stops. And future development, I want to have a menu popping up and saying, congratulations, in 2 minutes, you've collected XYZ amount of coins. And you want to be competitive and play against your friends and say, oh, I got more coins in 2 minutes. So that's the point of this game. So let's just play the game. It's very easy to navigate, actually, once you get used to it. And the trick is I purposely built the world that's outside the platform. As you can see, it's actually outside, and to be careful jumping onto the different platforms. If you go too far, for example, I'm going to try this, you're going to go outside the world, and you're just going to fall and possibly die. But the counter is still going down, and you're still falling down. So this is what it looks like when you're falling down the platform. It's pretty lonely and scary. Anyway, I'm just gonna hit exit. So I'm gonna hit exit and hit play. And go back to the person MoWorld. So to keep this video short, I want to show you an idea what the code looks like for first person. So I have to go to first person BP and go to blueprints, and blueprints is the code for this whole Unreal platform. So this is what the code looks like. It looks complicated. I actually found it's not so complicated when you actually really understand it. It is coding. It is using coding concepts, but it's just using GUI for coding. Yeah, everything is in GUI. I feel like it's much easier just dragging and clicking things. So I did not do this. This is what the first person looks like with gravity and a gun. This is what I did following a tutorial and somehow making it my own. So this is just the code for the counter, for the clock, like starting from 120 seconds. I put 120 seconds somewhere. I've done this a long time ago now, just can't really remember. But as you can see, we're using the modulus, the double equal sign if it's equal to minutes or seconds. And you have to convert once it hits 60 seconds, it goes, you have to increment down in minutes. So there's a lot of math involved. So yeah, this took me a long time. So that's the time counter. Okay, let's just go to the fire now. So the fire is pretty cool. So I'm just going to click on the fire, hit blueprint, open blueprint, and hit effect fire. Nope, wrong one. Blueprints, open blueprint. Oh, destroy fire. Yes, so I have to create these. I remember creating these using. I had to create a lot of blueprints. Yeah, here, first person game mode, first person. Where else? I made a lot of them. Just to keep the video short, you can just find the open blueprint classes here. So it's like kind of Java, you have classes. So I created destroy fire. So originally you had to press the E key to destroy it, but now I just decided that if you go near it, you're just going to destroy it. So this is the code for destroying the fire. And it's pretty cool. You can set text. And I'm not sure if you remember when I started the game, it kind of gave you instructions when you go near the object. So to show you again, let's just go near the fire. See? Press a key to destroy. So I press the key to destroy it and it destroys it. just show you one more, the bouncing pad. Where's the bouncing pad? Oh, I think created called the jump. So this is pretty cool. So this is the code for a jumping pad. You have the event active begin overlap, and then it will cast into the first person, and this is to launch the character. And you can set the XYZ coordinates to determine how far you want to jump, or left, right, up, down. And I just decided that the jump pad is just gonna jump upwards, so I just incremented the 1,000. Yes, so very easy, very simple. That's the code. Yeah, the timer was kind of complicated. One last thing, I just want to show you the coins, but I need to find where's the coin because I made multiple classes for those. First person coin, jump tank, blue fire. Yeah, I was trying to look for them, but I couldn't. Anyway, so this is a first attempt of making this video and showing the MoWorld through this platform. And just let me know what you guys think. I'm open for advice. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.